Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a WordPress website for affiliate marketing in 2024. So creating a WordPress website for affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to generate some income, promoting products or even services. So this tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up WordPress sites optimized for affiliate marketing. And this tutorial will be perfect for beginners also to help you set up your sites that can effectively promote products and generate some income. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you will need to go and open a browser. Of course, here I'm using Brave for you can use whatever you want. And the first step, of course, is to choose a domain name and even a hosting provider. Your domain name should be relevant to your niche and easy to remember, like Google as an example. For hosting, consider providers like Bluehost, I guess, GoDaddy, SiteGround, and even HostGator, which offers some great performance and support for WordPress. About GoDaddy, I'm not very sure about it, but SiteGround, Bluehost, and HostGator are very good with WordPress. Then sign up for a hosting plan and register your domain name. Once you have your domain name and hosting set up, it's time to install, as example, the WordPress, which is the most hosting providers offers one-click WordPress installation. You can simply just log into the hosting account, find the WordPress installation option, and simply follow the prompts to install the WordPress on your domain. After installing the WordPress, you'll need to choose like a theme for affiliate marketing example. So, example, first of all, let me just go here and try to go to bluehost.com. I'll open a new tab, go to WordPress also, open my local host here on the side. So example, Bluehost, I'll choose that as example, just try to log into my account. As you can see here, Bluehost recommended by WordPress organization. So you'll definitely have the option to install WordPress on your Bluehost once you get your domain name. So just go here and click on login. As we said, uh, just go and log in with Google because I guess that's what I created my account with. And I'll just click on skip at the moment. Of course, the same will be for WordPress. Make sure to log in into your account and make sure to have an account. So yeah, as you can see here, make sure to have a domain. For me, as you can see, at the moment, I don't have any domain. Like the last domain, I guess, I did not renew my last domain, so it's not here anymore. But for you, just go to the domain name that you choose and install the WordPress option. You'll have the option that. After installing WordPress, of course, you'll need to choose like a theme for affiliate marketing. It's important to pick a theme that is clean, responsive, and optimized for conversions. Astra, like Generate Press, and even Ocean WP are popular choices. So you can go to appearances, theme, on your WordPress dashboard. Basically, once you do so, you'll be taken basically to your WordPress. So here on your dashboard, you simply go to appearances here, then themes. Once you click on it, of course, in your WordPress dashboard, you'll be able to simply click on add a new theme and search for the chosen theme that you want. Then simply install it and activate it. As I said, let me just look for the Astra that I told you about if I'll find it here. So yeah, there's Astra here. There's also it generates press, so generates like press, which is well known also. Yeah, this one also. And the last one that is popular also is Ocean WP. So I can recommend these three and it will work great for you. So let me just example, go with Astra. So just go and click on install, make sure to install it. Once it's installed, you'll have to activate it to start working with it or on it. So as you can see, it's installed, then I will have to click on activate. So let me just wait. As you can see, it's activated. Now, all you need to do, just click on customize to customize it whatever you want. Of course, to enhance even the functionality of your site, you'll need some essential plugins. So before like going here into this, let me just go back a bit. So make sure to go to plugins, click on add a new plugin. And of course, you can look for plugins like Yoast SEO for search engine optimization. It's the best, I guess, in my opinion. There's also Thirsty Affiliates for managing affiliate links, and even WP Forms for creating contact forms, and install and activate these plugins first of all. So for me, I have to already installed, which is SEO Yoast. I guess already I have it in. Let's check. So yeah, as you can see, it's already installed. I'll basically have just to update it. The second one was Thirsty, like Thirsty Affiliates. Just type Thirsty Affy, and I guess I'll find it. So yeah, I did not maybe type it right. So Thirsty Affiliate, just type this. So yeah, there's the one, as you can see. Here's it, but it does not work with my PHP version. Of course, for you, because like I'm on localhost, so don't mind that. For you, you'll probably not have this problem, so don't mind it. So make sure to install it also and activate it. And the last one, as we said, it's WP form. So basically form. And here we'll just have to look for the one. Okay, so I should not added that. So you can use whatever you want. As example, I'm using this one because it has the most installation, a lot of good reviews. So I'm using it, as you can see. So make sure to install those plugins and activate them because it will help you a lot setting up your things. Now you can simply go back to your appearances and themes, access the theme, and basically set up your site structure. You can simply even go to pages here, add a new pages, and create some essential pages like home, about, contact, and blog page where you'll publish your content. You can use the WordPress customizer and their appearance as an example to so you'll be able sorry so you can click here on customize to customize or to set up your menu and site identity and other settings. As you can see in here, you'll be able to edit a lot of stuff and start creating content that drive traffic and generate sales. Focus on writing some high quality blogs, posts, reviews, and guides related to your niche. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship to comply with legal guidelines. So I guess that's going to be it for you. Of course, you can optimize for SEO and conversions with the plugin that you installed, which is Yoast SEO. And yeah, that's it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.